Here's a really cool mid-size third row seat SUV with a very rugged look. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition. Y'all, this thing is super cool. Around back, factory tow package, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Cargo mat, power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really sharp 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Toyo open country all-terrain tires. Quad seating configuration gives you 2 across in the second row, 3 more in the third row for a grand total of 7 passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, rear USB charging ports. It's super black with charcoal interior, factory roof rack, deep tinted glass, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights, forward collision sensor in the grille, fender flares, passive keyless entry, leather trim bucket seats, power seat, all weather mats throughout, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror. Rear liftgate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise control. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really cool around view monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, 12-volt outlet, more USB ports, console shifter, 4-wheel drive controls, keyless entry key fobs with remote start and power liftgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and interior lighting in the overhead console. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.